going to grab something while you're starting that.
All right, so it's a little bit digitized, but it is recording. And I guess the first thing I'm going to do is say, yo, everybody, we're back with Noah from Community Made. And my shoes are finally starting to go into the production process. So we're going to get to see a little bit of that. We're not going to stay on this long because he's using the mobile, and that's it. So Noah, take over and tell everybody who that is. That Jimmy?
Hey,
is that his name?
This is Richard here. Jenny's
Richard,
the one holding the camera.
Yeah.
Jenny.
Jenny. All right.
Be in front of you today. But Richard is here. He does a lot of uppers for us. So right now he's cutting a pair. This is a pattern piece for a traction, just like you're going to be getting, Chris. And this is another pair that we're sampling right now. But once he's done cutting that one, we'll jump over to yours. This is the material and spec sheet for yours, like we had agreed upon and spoke about. And I have the samples here to walk you through that to make sure we get not only the style right, but then like the details, like doing this type of cable stitch as well, like you had requested.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, man, I'm just kind of in amazement, and I'm looking at the work, and this is where I get to say that everybody should.
I close our doors really quick so I can hear you. Sorry.
Okay. Everybody should understand that this is craftsmanship. This is not just someone sitting and throwing another shoe on a line and going through the whole process. This is a beautiful experience, and it's amazing to see craftsmen create something that I'm going to be able to wear in the next few weeks, man. I'm kind of just overwhelmed.
Yeah, so with us in the last few decades shipping all of shoemaking overseas, we've lost a lot of this ability to see this actually happen in our backyards. And part of what we are doing and reinvesting in this is having Richard in here a couple of days a week, cranking some uppers out for us like this, which is an awesome thing to have.
Yeah. Especially if we could, I mean, it would be great if 1,000 people decided to order a pair of shoes based on this video.
Yeah.
Because that would prove to everyone that we can still do this here in the US. So it's a pretty important video as far as I'm concerned.
Absolutely. Before jumping to that piece, Richard, let's look at Chris's shoe here so I can show you what we'll be doing with that one. So for Chris's pair, it's going to look like this. Same thing like you've been doing there with that new pattern piece. But what we're going to do on this one, instead of, so for this new pattern piece, instead of stitching it like you were going to with this one, we're going to do this accent stitch over it to hold it in place. So that X shape hold in place, but it's going to be with these materials here. Okay. So it's this lighter tan suede for the eye stay, the tongue, the heel tab, and then that lower panel here. This one is all suede here, and then this hemp canvas is going to be this part of the upper that's like the main piece there.
And this for these pieces.
For those pieces will all be this suede.
Okay.
So
and this and this is the
yeah, exactly.
In the tone.
Yeah. And then this will be the lining, full lining with that. Yeah.
Wow.
Questions, Chris?
No questions at all, man. I think, you know what? I'm not going to slow you guys down by recording everything. So I'm really going to stop this. And I guess the next step will be what? Just the production process, huh?
Yeah. So we can get some video of Richard cutting and sewing, and we can film that now, or I can send that to you after the fact. And then we'll have a finished upper on Monday.
Well, how long is it going to take for the cutting and sewing to take place?
Well, depends on Richard's time. If he wants to do that now, or if he's taking it home. So he usually takes it and does it at home. So,
well, even if we don't get that, man, I think this is enough, and I think people are going to really appreciate it. Richard, I have to say thank you 3,000 times. I really appreciate you. I'm glad you're still able to practice this craft, man. You are amazing. And I promise you, I'm going to wear these and make them look as dope as I possibly can. thank you a million times for hooking me up and making me look good because I'm excited to get these.
No, these look great. And thanks to Richard for doing all this for us.
Yeah, no, I know you probably weren't prepared to be on camera today, so let's cut it off. And Noah, thank you. I guess the next video we'll work on and we'll get that up for everybody, but I'm going to get this up immediately and share it because this is powerful. I appreciate you guys. CommunityMade.com. Check out the website, and you guys can go and make your own customs as well. I appreciate Noah, Richard, and Jenny for hooking me up with this video. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Chris.
Hang up.